First you want to take a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's a screw right here. Take this screw out. Then take some trim tools. You can grab the grill itself and just pop it out. And it just slides right out. There's some clips right there and right there. Now if you flip this over, there's a couple clips right here. Just get underneath here with a pick and just put a little bit of pressure. You take the trim tool and put some pressure right here. And just try to slide it up, just like that. Just being careful, you don't want to break it. There we go. And it slides out like that. Now I take this chrome trim and just slide it in position. And just lock it down. It'll just clip into place just like that. Now slide this end in first and then roll it and just push it in. Get everything to line up. That's good. And take the screw. Get it started and snug it down.